In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity to learn to speak in any language with a focus on French. Imagine being able to learn new phrases and practice your pronunciation right from your computer. This step-by-step guide will help you utilize Perplexity AI to expand your language skills easily and effectively. To begin, open your web browser and head to Google. Once you're there, in the search box, type the word Perplexity. Google is a great starting point because it's easy to navigate and will provide you with a direct link to the official Perplexity webpage. After the search results appear, look for the link to the Perplexity website. It should be one of the first few results, so it's easy to find. Click on the link to be redirected to Perplexity's platform. Now that you're on the Perplexity website, the next step is to create a prompt. In the provided text box, you'll want to construct a question or statement that will help you learn French. For instance, a great starting point is to ask, "How do you say good morning in French?" This is a simple yet practical phrase that you can use immediately in conversations. After you've written your prompt, look for the Submit button usually located beneath the text box. Click on this button to send your query to the AI. In just a moment, Perplexity will generate the response for the translation, which, in this case, is bonjour. Click on the French word, bonjour, which Perplexity has provided. This will often lead you to additional resources or an option to hear the pronunciation. Listening to the pronunciation is crucial for ensuring correct accent and delivery. It not only helps you with saying the word correctly, but also builds your auditory recognition skills, which are incredibly important when learning a new language. Finally, once you have heard the pronunciation, practice using it in a sentence. Try to pronounce it as close to what you heard as possible. You could say something like, "Bonjour, comment allez-vous?" meaning, "Good morning, how are you?" Practicing by forming full sentences will definitely aid in mastering your speaking skills. Using Perplexity AI for language learning is such a powerful tool for broadening your linguistic abilities. It offers an interactive way to learn, making language acquisition more engaging and less daunting. By practicing regularly using these resources and applying what you've learned in real-life conversations, you'll find yourself becoming more proficient in French or any language you wish to learn. So, why not give it a try today and start your journey towards multilingualism?